So if you want to activate your voice typing on your Samsung Galaxy A26, first of all, let's open up our settings. Now scroll down to our general management. Now we gotta locate our Samsung keyboard settings, then locate your voice input, and here's setup on Samsung or Google Voice Input. Great, now let's open up our keyboard and let's tap on this little microphone icon right here. So now we can speak, and everything what we speak is transcribing into text. If you want to use your exclamation mark or a comma, you just have to say this, and as you see, it's getting typed right into our, in my case it's Google, but in your case it may be messages or whatever you're doing. So let's try something. Hello, how is your day? Question mark. Right? Works perfectly. So it automatically stops when you stop speaking, and you shall press again to start speaking. So that's how it works, and tap on this microphone icon to stop it. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.